Hi guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today we are going to make some chicken curry. We have our ingredients here. So the first thing I've done, I've washed my chicken, which is chicken drumstick, and I have my seasoning spices, which is I have 1/3 of a cup of natural yogurt, and I have salt, one tablespoon of salt. I have 1 teaspoon of cumin and two teaspoon of garam masala, and I have our chili flakes, which is 1 teaspoon. I have our ginger and garlic, and I have 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, and we have our chicken seasoning here. So I'm just gonna mix everything together and then marinate our chicken for half an hour before we start cooking it. So I'm going to start with our cumin, and then we put our garam masala, our chili flakes, but you can use chili powder, but I've just preferred using chili flakes because I don't want it hot. But if you want it hot, you can use your chili powder. And I have our chicken seasoning, and then our salt, and then put our ginger and garlic, and then put our lemon, and then put our natural yogurt, mix everything together. So I'm gonna add some paprika powder because I didn't use the chili powder, just to make it a bit colorful with the red color. I've added paprika, like two teaspoons of paprika. So I'm just gonna mix everything well. Just to bring that reddish color on it. I've mixed our spices, as you can see. So I'm gonna leave it to marinate for half an hour. So I'm gonna cover it and leave it to marinate for half an hour, and then we're going to start our curry. Our chicken is ready after half an hour of marination. So we're going to start making the curry. So we have our tomato puree there. We have our garam masala, our ginger and garlic, 2 red onion, 1 red, 1 white, and our puree tomato, and our chili sauce, and a bit of black pepper, our coriander for garnishing. We have our coriander powder, cumin, and our chicken seasoning. We have 1 teaspoon of salt and 125 ml of cream, heavy cream. And there's our chicken. So we're going to put on our cooker on. on medium heat. And put our Salad Master cookware. But if you don't have Salad Master cookware, you can use your normal pot. But when you're using your normal cookware, you'll use some oil to fry the chicken. But because I'm using Salad Master cookware, I'm not going to use any oil on this recipe. So I'm just gonna let our pan warm, put chicken and cook for a few minutes, like 6 to 8 minutes. Take out the chicken out. So as you can see, there's no oil. There was just a little bit of water on it. So we're going to put our marinated chicken and cook for 6 minutes, 6 to 8 minutes. Cover it. Let's check on our chicken. It has been cooking for 6 to 6 minutes. So our chicken is ready. So I'm gonna transfer it back to the bowl so that I can fry the onion. We're going to make our sauce. Just fry our onions and ginger and garlic together with no oil. Just gonna use a bit of that chicken sauce on the bottom. But if you have your normal cookware, you can use oil to fry your onions. But for now, because I'm using Salad Master, I don't need oil. Add our tomato, which have blended. Is 3 tomatoes, fresh tomato, and then I blended it, and then add our puree, tomato puree. then add our spices, our turmeric, our red chili, our coriander powder, our salt, and our garam masala. Cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. Let's check on our tomato. It's ready. So we are going to add our chicken. Mix everything together. It looks nice already. Now add some chicken stock. So I'm going to add some chicken stock now and cook it for a few minutes. Look how nice our chicken curry looks. So this, you can add your cream. Cook for 10 minutes more because we need our sauce to thicken up. So we need to cook it at least 10 more minutes. So let's check on our curry, see whether it's ready. You guys, you can see it. I'm just gonna garnish it with a bit of coriander. Wow. And then it's ready to serve. So we're going to have it with rice. Wow, how nice it looks. Now I didn't use any oil because I'm using salad masa cookware, but if you're cooking with your normal cookware, you can use oil if you want. So there's our chicken curry is ready. So we're going to turn off the cooker and let it simmer. Our rice, so I'm just gonna serve it with our chicken curry. Let's see how colorful and nice it looks. Wow, we have it. Wow, look how creamy the sauce looks. I hope you have loved my video today and you have learned something how to cook chicken curry with no oil. Share with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel for new videos each and every day, and press that notification button, and please like and comment on this curry. Bye bye.